and welcome to this video for the Lilac Moments Notelet set. So to start, we're going to make two of the pockets like this one you see here. I've already made up. I'm going to show you how to make the second one, which you'll do exactly the same. You're going to add the thick red liner tape to this outside edge here and just here. And before we take the tape off, I'm just going to fold all of the score lines. Then we'll take the red liner tape from one side. You want to hold the tabs in and then fold this inside to create this square shape. We'll do the same on the other side. And there you have your two pockets. You want to take this piece here, which is the spine of your notelet. I'm going to fold the edges, and then you want to turn these little boxes over, and you'll see it has A1, B1, B2 and A2, which is exactly the same as what you have written here. So we're going to attach this side to here. So it's really simple and easy because everything is written down on the kit, so you don't have to work out which bit's with. So now you have your spine attached to the two boxes. You can see how it folds into itself like this. We want to take the outside frames on this sheet and again, as instructed, you have your letter in here which shows you which panel needs to attach to which side. So I'm just going to add some more tape to this one and we'll stick it on. So we'll start with A1. And we'll just fold it first to make sure we're not sticking it in the wrong places. So we'll take A1 and stick it to the front. And then on the reverse, we will stick the back panel, B1. And we'll like so. And there is the box for your notelet set. With this kit you also get 6 coordinating mini cards that can go inside. I'm just going to add the little sentiments to the front. And we can add these along with the rest into our notelet set. And there you go, a finished project. Thank you for watching this video today. For more videos and tutorials, please go to hunkydorycrafts.co.uk. Thank you, bye!